Okay, let's solve this quadratic. We have the end here is 12. The middle, we can call this our b value and our c value. We need to find two numbers that add to 8 and multiply to 12. Add to 8 and multiply to 12. Okay, so how many ways can we multiply to 12? There's 12 and 1, there's 3 and 4, and there's 6 and 2. But 6 and 2 add to 8. So let's use those. So we can write it as two factors. It will always start the same with your variable in the parentheses. In this case, it is a positive 6 and a positive 2 that multiply to 12 and add to 8. So now that we get here, we know that we have two parentheses that are being multiplied by each other. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So if either one of these parentheses becomes 0, then the whole thing becomes 0 because 0 times anything is 0. So what you can do is say, what would k need to be for this parenthesis to equal 0? And what would k need to be for this parenthesis to equal 0? Well, we could simply subtract 6 from both sides and get k equals negative 6, and subtract 2 from both sides over here and get k equals negative 2. So those are our two solutions, or our two roots, or our two x-intercepts. And you can visualize, right? If you were to put this negative 6 in for k, negative 6 plus 6 is 0. And 0 times anything is 0. So it would make this equation true. Let's do